Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a nice time. Today I'm gonna be showing you a really delicious lentil soup recipe. This easy lentil soup has an amazing hearty texture that is slightly creamy even without adding any cream to it. It only calls for few seasonal and affordable ingredients that are easy to find. I'm gonna start by soaking 2 cups of green lentils in water for about 6 hours. You can soak yours overnight if you really don't have enough time during the day. After soaking your lentils, you will notice they have swollen up and have also tripled in size. This process allows them to cook really faster. Go ahead and rinse the lentils thoroughly under running water to get rid of the soaking liquid. Once you're done, you can set aside and let's proceed. In a large soup pot, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and allow to heat up. Add 1 cup of chopped onions and saute for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Go in with 1½ cup of chopped carrots, ½ cup of chopped celery stalks, and 1 chopped red bell pepper. Cook these on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes while stirring occasionally. Cooking your onion, carrots, pepper, and celery a little bit longer helps create an incredible flavor base for this lentil soup. Once all the veggies are lightly brown, you can go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Saute for a minute or until fragrant. Now pour in 2 cups of tomato sauce. Add 1 bay leaf and 3 sprigs of thyme. These help improve the aroma of your lentil soup. Now stir that nicely to combine with the rest of the veggies. You can then cover and cook for a couple of minutes for the tomatoes to become soft. Once everything is nice and fragrant, add in the rinsed lentils to the contents and then season with 1 teaspoon each of salt, cumin, and paprika. Also add 2 teaspoons of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir this again to incorporate nicely. Also add 5 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and additional 2 cups of plain water and stir to incorporate well. Cover and bring the content to a rolling boil for about 5 minutes. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium-high and simmer for about 45 minutes. You can get back to this soup to check. At this point, the lentils should have been very soft. You can decide to mash just about 1 cup of the lentils with an immersion blender or with your regular blender and then add it back to the pot. This will give the soup that creamy consistency. But as for me, my lentils are completely softened and they are really creamy as well. And I love the creaminess, so there's no need for this process. In that case, I'm gonna go ahead and increase the heat again. Test for salt and pepper. Make sure to adjust any other seasoning as needed. Once you're satisfied, you can then add in 3 cups of roughly chopped spinach to it. You don't have to use spinach, you can make use of kale, collard greens, or any other leafy vegetables of your choice. Now stir this to combine nicely. And don't forget to take out the bay leaf and the thyme sprigs as well. Finally, you can garnish your soup with 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley and stir again to mix well. And here it is, we are done making this soup. Just look at that. It looks really creamy and really tasty as well. This lentil soup is super rich. The color is really inviting. You can even enjoy this at any time of the day. So guys, this was the best lentil soup recipe for you to try out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, Please make sure to click the like button and also share it with your friends and loved ones. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.